Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, Group and I will present about business model creation, and our situation is short out in any supermarket, specifically in Kuantan. So this is our team members. We consist of 4 people, which is me, Muhammad Azwar bin Muhammadan, Muhammad Hakimi Zamani bin Ramli, Muhammad Afif Wajidi bin Abdul Rashid, and Amani Khadida bin Khairul Aman. So this is the table of contents, where we have 10 things that we'll talk about. First, we have introduction, customer segment, value proposition, channels, customer relationships, revenue streams, key activities, key partners, cost structures, and conclusion. So first of all, I'll talk about the introduction of our shop. So our business aim to open a specially footwear store at Doctors in Drama Counter Supermarket, offering a wide range of stylish, high quality and affordable shoes to meet the needs of working adults, students and families, by leveraging the supermarket's high foot traffic and strategic location. We intend to create a vibrant shopping experience focused on comfort, fashion and excellent service, positioning our brand as a go-to destination for footwear in the city. So, the first thing that I will talk about is customer segment. What is customer segment? Customer segment is who is our target audience. And here we have 5 customer segments, that is students, mid-class family, athletes, working professional and fashion enthusiasts. Students often look for trendy and affordable footwear. We know students nowadays demand fashion for their outfit. So, we target students as our customer. Same goes to middle class family, where of course as parents we want our family to have a good physical, so we produce them shoes to be alright. Same goes to athletes, because athletes and sport shoes are inseparable. Lastly, for my part, is value proposition. Here we have 2, which are variety of styles. We offer a wide range of footwear to meet different customer needs. And lastly, for value proposition, is seasonal promotion, where we will produce special discounts and exclusive product launches during festive season, such as Eid al-Fitri, Deepavali, and Chinese New Year.
Okay, thank you, my friend Muhammad Azwar. First of all, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Hakimi Zamani bin Ramli. And for my part is channels. How can customer can purchase? First, we have physical store. It's a strategic spot for an immediate product purchase. So, for a customer who likes to see, taste, and touch it, can come to our store. And second, online shopping platform. It's convenient because it's open 24/7. Okay. For the slide number 2, is customer relationships. At Step Up Footwear, keeping our customer happy is super important. We can do this in 2 ways: engaging with customer and retaining customer. In store, we use post insight and well-trained staff to offer personalized help. That means we know that what customer likes, and we offer them a better shopping experience. After they make a purchase, we continue to support them. For example, if the shoe size gone wrong or something is wrong with the shoes, we offer them exchange product. And other than that, we offer seasonal deals and loyalty points that make them feel reward. Okay, for the last slide for me, we're gonna talk about revenue streams. Okay, the first way is through direct sales. Customer buy shoes either in the store or online. And the second way is by selling accessories. We have Australians, show cake, and we add socks too. And finally, it's a limited edition product. We include special collaboration, maybe with Genshin Impact, with the Wave, or something more like kids like or new brand things. And for the last thing is festive type product, like a special shoes for Eid Fitri, Chinese New Year, or maybe even Deepavali.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Fajri Abdul Rafiq. I will talk about the key activities. First of all is control the logistics and online store. This includes things like handling customer orders, making sure stock arrive on time, and keeping our website updated with the latest product. Secondly is sales and customer service. We aim to make the shopping experience smooth and enjoyable, and if there are any issue, we are there to help you quickly and kindly. And last but not least is marketing and social media engagement. We actively promote our product through online digital ads and social media. We are always creating content and building our brand to stay connected with our audience. So all these activities work together to keep our operations strong and our customer coming back. Next is key partners. To keep our business running smoothly, we work closely with several key partners who really help us behind the scene. For our shoe product, we have Com Brother Enterprise SDN BHD. They make sure our product always have enough stock to meet the customer demand. Secondly, we have the GNT Express Malaysia to handle our delivery to make sure our product is safely arrived on to customer. And thirdly, we have Chuan Tong Industrial SDN BHD to ensure our paper bag always ready for customer. And finally, we have IRS software to manage our stock efficiently and avoid shortage on our product.
Okay, let's continue with our cost structure. Let's reviewing our cost COGS table. So we choose to sell casual shoes, sport shoes, sandals, and limited edition shoes. For casual shoes, we expect to sell 300 pairs, sport shoes 275 pairs, sandals 250 pairs, and for the lastly limited edition shoes 25 pairs. And for each cost for casual shoes is 65 ringgit, sport shoes 80 ringgit, sandals 50 ringgit, and limited edition shoes is 110 ringgit. To sum up our COGS table, we got 56 and 750 ringgit. Okay. Next is our OPEX table. For rental, the price is 5,000, utilities 350, marketing 2,000, display table, the quantity is 6, for each price is 400, internet 150 ringgit, display rack 300 for 4 quantity, POS system and maintenance 4,000, and bench 300. Okay, to sum up our OPEX table is 16,900 ringgit. Okay, for our forecast value, considered selling price for casual shoes is 75 ringgit, sport shoes 19 ringgit, sandals 55 ringgit, and limited time shoes is 120 ringgit. So finally, let's review our forecast sales value for the year. Our forecast value for January is for casual shoes, we sell for 52 ringgit and 50 cent. Sport shoes 63 ringgit, sandals 38 and 50 cent, and lastly for limited time shoes is 120 ringgit. Since each product got 30% discount for New Year and Chinese New Year month. Okay, so for the other month who does discount for each Aidilfitri month. For casual shoes, we sell it for 45 ringgit. Sandals, we sell for 33 ringgit. Sport shoes, 54 ringgit, and limited time shoes, 120 ringgit. So, normal price for April, May, June, and July, and except for August, we celebrate Independence Month, so we decide to give a 20% discount for each item. And for October, each product got 25% discount for Deepavali month. And lastly, for December, discount for 60% for each item since it's end year sale and Christmas month. A little bit note, our shoes has limited time shoes price is fixed to show its exclusivity. That's all from my podcast value.
So, in conclusion, our business model is carefully structured to meet the needs of our target market while maintaining operational efficiency and sustainable growth. Through strategic planning, effective teamwork, and through market understanding, we are confident that our business will establish a strong presence in Lotus Indrama Quarter supermarket. With clear goals, well-defined activities, and continuous commitment to customer satisfaction, we are ready to bring this vision to life and achieve long-term success.